Between managing the units rolling in and out of your shops, your technicians, your invoices, and all the other things you don't even want to think about right now, managing inventory generally tends to get put on the back burner. We've spoken with a lot of shop and fleet managers who understand the importance and value of a good inventory system, but they admit that all too often, there's just no time to handle it. But what if we could do all of that work for you? With the EMDECS complete fleet maintenance and management software system, inventory tracking is built right in, with levels automatically adjusting in real time as parts are being taken off of the shelf for repairs. Part numbers and details get properly listed on your ROs, and inventory levels can be reviewed at any time from any device connected to the internet. Do you have multiple warehouse locations or mobile trucks with their own inventory? No problem. Quickly swap between locations to see what's where and perhaps what's needed. You can even have the system trigger part reorders by setting minimum stock levels to ensure the vital inventory that keeps vehicles on the road are always on hand. With EMDECS, you can finally properly handle inventory management without, actually having to handle inventory management. For more information on how EMDECS can simplify inventory and all the other areas of your fleet maintenance and management operation, visit www.brightorder.com.